Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative endeavor, but it's essential to approach it with caution and a clear strategy. Here's a brief guide. 1. Educate yourself. Start by understanding the basics of blockchain technology and different cryptocurrencies. Research the projects, teams, and technologies behind them. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money into a single cryptocurrency. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Consider well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with promising altcoins. 3. Long-term versus short-term. Decide if you're a long-term HODLer or a short-term trader. Long-term investors hold assets for years, while traders buy and sell frequently. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can plummet quickly. 5. Secure storage. Use reputable cryptocurrency wallets to store your assets securely. Hardware wallets are considered one of the safest options. 6. Stay informed. Keep up with cryptocurrency news and market trends. Market sentiment can change rapidly, affecting prices. 7. Avoid emotional trading. Emotions like fear and greed can lead to poor decisions. Stick to your investment strategy. 8. Tax considerations. Be aware of tax regulations in your country. Cryptocurrency gains may be subject to taxation. 9. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting a financial advisor with expertise in cryptocurrencies. 10. Continuous learning. The crypto landscape evolves rapidly. Stay informed and adapt your strategy as needed. Remember, there are no guarantees in the crypto market, and it involves substantial risk. It's crucial to make informed decisions and not follow hype blindly.